marketers, and everybody else out there, have you had an issue with conversions? Have you had an issue with your page actually going obsolete? You see right here a 404 area. Have you 404 error? Have you had any issues with that? Let me tell you something. This software will actually resolve that issue. It's called Build Redirects. And as you can see, it's a click and conversion tracking software. So actually what it does is if you have any link that you are running for an affiliate or just a link in general, it will actually redirect a particular person to that link. That way, you know, if your link goes down, if you're running an affiliate link for a particular person, obviously they're going to a particular page. And more than likely, you're probably paying for traffic, you're paying for paid traffic. And even if you have organic traffic, there is an issue with people going to a dead link. I mean, you pretty much wasted traffic. People are not going to have any faith in you. They're not going to have any trust in you, and they're not going to want to click your links anymore if they know that you have a 404 error. They will remember you. I promise you that. So let me ask you this. So have you ever thought of a way to actually send particular people to other links? Have you thought of a way, an alternative, and just in case one of your affiliate links does have a 404 error, have you thought of another way to redirect the person to another page? Well, that is exactly what this software is. As you can see, it's for internet marketers, it's for affiliate marketers, it's for email marketers, and it is for pretty much everyone else. It's called Build Redirects. And exactly what does it do? It actually, every visitor that comes to or that clicks your link, it'll send them to a particular link. You can actually customize your link. If you have actually, if you're running a link or if you're running a product for an affiliate, obviously they give you one particular link that has all their information and everything on it. But if you have your own website, you can actually put your website in there and it will redirect them to an affiliate offer, even if it is not your offer. This software is very, very powerful. As you can see, here's the actual creator of it. He pretty much tells you exactly how and what it does. I mean, see, technically you have a web page here, you have a blog, you have a Facebook post, you have an email. So if you're doing any of these things right here, this software can help you. And then you automatically just have a link that you put in there. People click the link and it sends them actually to an affiliate offer. It sends them to a Shopify store. It sends them to Amazon store. What is going on right here is you can actually go to the page, which I will give you a link. The link is actually going to be in the bottom of this video. You will be able to see it. And actually right here, what he's showing here is actually just what I explained. Uh, there is a link that you put on here that's actually a particular link that you have originally. This is before you use Build Redirect. So you're sending somebody to a dead link. You send them to affiliate offer, there's nothing there. You send them to a Shopify store, there's nothing there. You send them to Amazon, there's nothing there. Then obviously, if you put a Build Redirect link in right here, it's going to automatically send them wherever you want them to go. It's going to be a product. There's no dead page. There's no issues with, you know, if the affiliate link offers down. It's not necessarily even a 404 page. What if the affiliate changes the product that he's using? He actually discloses the link, and then, you know, what exactly, where does your traffic go? So that'll actually solve all this. You have control over your traffic when you use Build Redirect. All you have to do is create a link in Build Redirect. You place the link on the blog, Facebook, emails, whatever. They click it, and it automatically goes to any site you want them to go to. And here's a look at the inside of the software right here. Where originally you can see that I'm using it here, I have all these different links that I have set up. And pretty much, actually, let me show you this right here. So pretty much what you want to do first is you want to create an offer. And I'll have all these offers in here. Obviously, I have a Clickfunnels offer. So pretty much all you have to do is, like, let's say I am promoting the .com secrets book, which I think is in here somewhere. Let me see. Well, actually, I'll just say ClickFunnels. So obviously you have a lot of ClickFunnels affiliates. You don't know what ClickFunnels is. That link will also be down in the bottom. It's just an easy way to make a website within a certain amount of time, probably maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. People have made a website using ClickFunnels. So here is exactly what you do here. So I'm going to hit edit right here. But normally all you have to do is go down here and create a new offer. So if you hit edit right here, and then obviously you have a ClickFunnels affiliate link. So this is actually the affiliate link from ClickFunnels. So I take that, I plug it in here to this link. And once I do that, I actually hit update offer. So now I have my ClickFunnels affiliate link put into build redirects in the offer section. So now if I want to create a customized link for build redirects, all I have to do is go here. Now you have to put new link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put testing ClickFunnels 14-day. Testing ClickFunnels 14-day affiliate. And you go down here, which is usually you can put tags and everything in here. Actually, I use this to help me identify stuff. I don't know if I have, actually I'll just put it under beta test. And right here, these are all my different domains that I can actually use to create these links. So I own all these domains. So therefore, if you saw before, there's actually a ClickFunnels link that I put in the offer, but now I can mask that link with my own domain and my own URL. So if I put testing right here, obviously we're good. And I have offers. Now this is actually where I filled in before. So obviously we're looking for the 14-day ClickFunnels offer, which is right here. So it pops up. And if you can see, it's right here. This is the link that I filled in, but the link that I'm going to use is going to be this link right here. So actually, I don't know if I used this before or not. Actually, I'll put testing 1, 2, 3 just to make sure, because it will not allow you to use the same exact link. So I'm putting testing 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I will hit create. And this is actually the link right here. So let me show you this. So if I take this ClickFunnels link right here, let me see if I can fill out the offers. I'm actually going to show you. So this is the link right here. So I'm going to copy and paste. This is the original ClickFunnels link. I'm going to show you where it's going to send me. So I'm going to paste that in there. As you can see, that is the link right there. And it is sending me to a ClickFunnels page. Beautiful. Right here. So I'm going to ClickFunnels page. Oh, wait a minute. What if this website is actually down? Or what if, I want to mask, this link right here? So actually, I'm going to leave that open just to let you know I'm not trying to fool around with you. And I am actually going to hit, how can I go back here? Actually, let me hit back. And I will take this link. This is the link that I just created. It has my own personal. This is my own domain. So it doesn't matter what affiliate offer I am promoting. I can fill this out, and this helps with your branding. So therefore I have this link. So when people see, this is the link I'm going to send people to send them to that same exact offer. So you see this page right here, which I don't know, ClickFunnels might have a split test on their pages, but hopefully they do not. So now you're going to see, look, I'm getting ready to paste the link that I just created. So I'm going to go to it and boom, it automatically goes to the ClickFunnels page, which that's the same exact link. How amazing is that? So yeah, so you guys need to check this out. They actually have an offer on it, and let me see, it also tracks your link. So it'll tell me how many times. Right here you say 0. So if I hit update, it's going to say 1 because I clicked it. And it also identifies the IP address of the user. So therefore, if I click it again, because they actually have total clicks and unique clicks. So therefore, if I plug it in again, which I am actually going to do, and let's see, so if I hit enter here, which obviously is going back to the same page, and where am I at? So if I hit update on this page, 2. There's 2 total clicks, 1 unique click, because obviously I'm the only person that's clicking it, so it's saved. It is actually counting how many times I clicked it, and it will not. With the unique clicks, it'll count the IP address and will not, if the same IP address clicks the same link, then obviously it won't count it. So this is total clicks. So 2 is, this link here has actually had 2 total clicks, but only 1 unique click because I'm the only one that is actually clicking it. So you guys need to check this out. They actually have a special on it. You can get in for $1.